Students, here I am from Zilka's favorite channel. So we will start our next lesson after finishing past continuous. Today we will move to past perfect and past perfect continuous. Today we will finish the types of past tenses. So let's start first with past perfect. So what is past perfect? The past perfect, that is also called pluperfect, is a verb tense used to talk about actions that were completed before some point in the past. The past perfect tense is for talking about something that happened before something else. So it is like finished in the past. It is not continuous yet. It is finished. It is over in the past. For example, I had never seen such a beautiful beach before I went to Koyai. It's like it was before watching that place that he had never seen such beautiful place. Let's see how we can work on the formation if we have to make positive affirmative sentence. Subject plus had plus past participle and then the object. How to make negative? Subject plus had not or hadn't plus past participle plus object if you have. If you want interrogative, then had will be first, then subject, then past participle and then the question mark, that is must after the object. So here you must notice that when we were doing present perfect tense, we were using has with singular and have with plural. But for past perfect, we have to use had for singular and plural both. Only this is the difference. Otherwise, past participle is same in both. That is the third form of the verb. Let's have few examples over here. I had worked, positive. I hadn't worked, negative. How to make interrogative? We have to bring had in the beginning. Had I worked with the question mark. You had worked. You hadn't worked. Had you worked? So this is the way you have to understand the examples. Just use had for the perfect past perfect tense and use the third form of the verb, that is past participle, and that's it. This is the sentence that is finished, that is over, that is done in the past at any time before starting the next word. Read all the examples and then let's see what is past perfect continuous. If the perfect is still continuous, then what is the difference? Let's see. The past perfect continuous tense is like the past perfect tense, but it expresses longer actions in the past before another action in the past. So it continues for a long time. Otherwise, past perfect is for a while, but past perfect continuous is for a long time. It also finished in the past, but it takes long time. For example, Ram started waiting at 9 a.m. You can see this is simple, past simple and continuous. I arrived at 11 a.m. past simple. When I arrived, Ram had been waiting for 2 hours. So it is like Ram was waiting for a long time. So it is past perfect continuous tense. Ram had been waiting. So this quality will make it past perfect continuous. Look at the formation. Subject for the positive sentences. We have to use first subject plus had plus been plus first form of the verb with ing. Look, first is the subject. Then as we were using in present perfect tense, that was has or have. But in the past perfect continuous, we have to use had, then been, then first form of the verb with the ing. If we have to make negative, then subject plus had not or hadn't. Then been and first form of the verb with ing. If we have to make it negative or the question, bring had in the beginning plus subject plus been plus first form of the verb with ing. Let's have few examples. to make it positive. I had been working. Had been means past perfect continuous. How to make negative? I hadn't been working. How to make interrogative? Bring the had in the beginning. Had I been working? You had been working. You hadn't been working. Had you been working? So this is the way to make past perfect continuous tense. Only the difference between present perfect continuous and past perfect continuous is that we use has and have in present and had in the past. Here is the difference to clarify past perfect and past perfect continuous. The past perfect is we form the past perfect with had and the past participle only. Had plus past participle. But for past perfect continuous, we form it with had been and the ing form of verb with first form of the verb means had been and first form of the verb with ing. So this is the difference between both tenses. For example, past perfect, I met them after they had divorced. How to make past perfect continuous? Sarah had been working here. So this is the difference. Been is not in past perfect. And in past perfect continuous, there is first form of verb with ing. This is the difference you have to remember. So I hope you have enjoyed the lesson. Now you have to solve the quiz game that is uploaded in Google Classroom. Solve it and submit your scores over there to get the grades. Hope you will enjoy your weekend. Next week we will meet with the next lesson to finish our tenses. That's it. Take care.